For the Aquarians today, I'm going to call it a clean-up day. And it's cleaning and clearing things that you don't use, or, look at your computer, look at your phone, messages that you don't need anymore, emails you don't need. It's time to clean and clear. Look around your home or the space that you spend majority of your time in, your office, wherever it may be. Clean and clear. That's what today is for. That's what today is about. It doesn't mean you don't do anything else in your day. If you can, put everything aside and just do the cleaning and clearing. There's a reason that this is being shared with the Aquarians today. I can't go into all the different reasons because, one, I don't know what they are. I wish I did. Two, it may not necessarily be useful. And sometimes we get the message of what needs to be done before we can understand why it needs to be done. And that's one of those moments here today. And so I'm trusting that. I could sit here longer and go, well, I wonder what's going on for the Aquarians and we could even speculate. Maybe there's a beautiful big change coming in your life, and I don't want to do any of that stuff. And I don't want everything to be a because and a because and a because and a because. Today, the key, the message, loud and clear for the Aquarians, clean and clear.